Hello and welcome to Binary Options 101. This video is going to cover binary options trading details. Now, the binary options industry, particularly with the hourly expiration of binary options, is an evolving industry. It's pretty new, okay, and they're changing. They're optimizing. They're changing their payouts. They're testing things, okay. They're testing different rules. For example, this company, Start Options, is gonna soon start rolling out max $1,000 bets. Now these guys are capped at $500 trade sizes, okay. Now speaking of the word bets, I use the word bets, okay. So. You know what? I mean, you are taking a bet. You are taking a chance. Okay. Yes. Okay. But you know, the term bet is too much associated with the gaming industry, and there's another broker out there called Easy Options. I was looking at their site today, and you know what? They're really trying to push the angle of making this look like gambling. Okay, well, in a sense, it's all trading can be gambling if, you know, and what is gambling? Gambling is taking a gamble, is taking a chance, okay? But the word has several meanings, and it's usually negative to most people. Gambling usually means an uneducated, irrational decision-making process based off of whimsical emotions, okay, that usually ends in a poor result, okay. But any super businessman, any excellent trader gets past the point of the concept of the fear of taking a chance. So, you know, people may say they're gamblers, but they get past all this. This is elementary. All right, taking a chance, you know, fear of risk, okay. Once you know what you're doing and you finally get to a point where you say, you know what, in life, everything's a chance. My pick for a future spouse is a chance, especially these days, right? You know, my decision to turn now or wait, you know, just wait for a few more cars to pass, you know, that's a chance. Okay, if you're going to turn now, you're going to take a higher risk chance, versus if you wait, you know, several more seconds, you can take a lower risk chance. Okay, so in gambling, in the notion of gambling, it's considered by most, from my experience, that it's an irresponsible, hog wild decision making process. So, you know, sure, Easy Options, they hope that you're going to hit the, you know, just close your eyes and hit the call put button like this, okay? So what's going to happen? Well, you know, you're going to lose and they're going to win. So, you know, that's just how it works, okay? So the thing is, though, the problem with a broker trying to come in to this industry and think they're going to set up a casino, okay, of sorts, is that unfortunately they've picked the wrong instruments to play. Okay, wrong instruments are financial instruments such as forex pairs, stock pairs, and commodity pairs. And so when they start getting professional traders, okay, which we intend to make several of you out there, we intend to turn you into professional binary options traders, okay. And plus there are other professional traders that know how to trade price, okay. When the price traders come into the binary options industry, these guys are going to have some problems, okay. This is not a game. You're basing it off of forex pairs, stocks, and commodity futures. if you're gonna do that, that's a big field. Okay, not it's a big field. It's a very well established and quite well, not only regulated, but what's the word I'm looking for? It's a very well set group of instruments where price, direction, and probability can be well determined. Okay, can be well determined by the price charts. Okay, and so I can say that with authority because I know what I'm doing. Okay, I trade the markets. I've been doing so for a long time. And better yet, I've developed 4 binary option systems, okay, that do very well, and 2 of them do extremely well, okay? And so that's the issue. They invited a professional trader in. I happen to like this concept, so I developed some systems. I happen to like to save people's, help to save people's shirts as well. Okay, I've seen so much carnage of trading accounts over the years. It just makes I just can't take it anymore. Okay, and one of my causes and my motivations is to help people stop losing their shirts, starting with my own biological family. Okay, that's another story. But anyways, so I'll stop there on that one. But enough. Okay, and I'll tell you one important thing right now. If you're going to trade for the thrill of winning or even the thrill of losing, okay, because it's all exciting. If you're going to trade because it's exciting, you will lose everything and plus some. Okay, that's what if you trade for the thrill, just like you will lose. Okay, what do you think compulsive gamblers do? They not only do they trade for the thrill, they go for the win. They're looking for the addictive high of the win. Okay, and they need self-validation. Okay, if they pick wrong, they can't handle it, so they have to pick right. But the problem is, in a slot machine, you have what's your edge? You have a very, some people may have figured out a couple things, but and more people figure out different things in games like poker and blackjack and those types of games, right? But your edge is not definable in that. Well, professional gamblers may argue that of course they're professional gamblers. With the poker and the card playing games and some of the other popular gambling games in the gaming industry, but versus the stock market. Okay, once you understand the fundamentals of price movement, okay, you can now develop a bona fide business from that. Okay, because now you have probabilities of price movement based off of numbers, based off of probabilities, based off of standard deviations, based off of Fibonacci numbers, based off of Fibonacci cycles, based off of ranges, based off of pivot points, based off of trend lines, based off of swing groupings. Okay, you can keep going on. Okay, and so we have a lot of probability factors on our side that once you understand them, you can put them to use it in your advantage. And once you group them together into a system, a method that can net out profits, now you can trade as a business. Okay, so other binary option details include you can trade the upside and the downside. Let's say you get into one position now. Okay, you can also get into a reverse position. Okay, and if your broker does not allow that, simply get another account, and you can trade one account over here, one account over there. It's very easy. Once you determine your entry price, all you do, you set your investment amount, hit the call button or the put button, and confirm. Okay, and that's it. It's not like vanilla option trading where you have to put in, okay, buy to open, buy to close, sell to open, sell to close. What's the price? What's the option symbol? Blah blah blah. All this stuff, which is kind of is kind of nerve-wracking. All you have to do is come in here, select your amount, bam, hit your call or put button, and then you're trading. Okay. So the industry is evolving, as I said before. They are adding different instruments. Okay. Now, different instruments do count. Okay. It is much easier to play an instrument like a forex pair, a stock, or a commodity option that has fluid price movement. Okay. That has versus one that has kind of stodgy price movement. Okay. So the different pairs do matter, and as they add pairs, and different brokers have different pairs. Okay, so you should keep an eye out for that, and if you understand price patterns, then this can give you a huge advantage. Okay, stock options trade, from 10 to 4 close. Commodity options, you'll see here, they go on a 24-hour cycle, and obviously you can go to the FAQ of a binary option broker site, and you can get stuff answered. Okay, so let's go through this so you don't have to. Let's shrink this up. We'll just shrink it up that way. Okay, so this is awesome. Okay, here's a detail. If you make your deposit with PayPal, you can have your withdrawals to your PayPal account, and that's how easy that is, right? If you don't have a PayPal account, you should get one. Okay, and very nice. So as you start to build up, where you're netting. Get it up to where you're doing $500 deals, and you're averaging, let's say, 200% a day. Just stacking the percentages. So, then you can just withdraw your cash flow to your PayPal account, and then from your PayPal account you can withdraw it to your bank. So in the previous example, if you can net on average 200% a day, that's wins and losses, but more wins and losses, of course. Then you can, with $500 position sizes, you can pull $1,000 a day. Okay, but how are you going to do that? Well, we're going to show you how to get that information. What are the currency options? Okay. Here are the money options. You can trade from around the world. Okay, and here they accept deposits in dollars, euros, and pounds, and so you'll need to convert to those if you don't have those. Okay, minimum deposit's $100. Okay, or 100 euros or 100 pounds. Max, they do have a max deposit. Okay, and here you go, 5,000 a piece, euro, dollar, or pound, 5,000 pounds. To make withdrawals, you log into your account, go to the deposit page, and click on the withdrawal link. Simple as that. So that's good to know. You may think, oh, I'm going through FAQ, but are you going to do it? Okay, let's just do it now, and we'll get this information down. And so to know that you can make a withdrawal is great. Withdrawal methods. You can do wire transfers, okay? They say 3 to 10 business days because they have to verify. Of course, they don't want to get, throw away money. Because once you wire somewhere, you can't get it back. Okay? Well, they didn't mention the PayPal option, okay? And I just verified that again today with start options, okay? And you can do that, okay? How do I cancel? Withdrawal request, bank email there. You can cancel it. Okay, it's a repeat question. Credit card withdrawals. Okay, interesting. PayPal sounds less complicated. Taxation. That's going to be based on how you report taxes. Okay. Expiration prices better be, to the underlying asset. Same prices. Okay, cash bonuses, they say trader needs to trade 10 times. Current. The bonuses differ. Then here are the types of account details. Looks very easy. Okay. You can view your account transaction history. And I was talking to the start options guys recently. They are about to get regulation. So, that's very good. That gives them a lot of credibility, and they can't play funny games. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. They can't, do strange things to steal your money, for example. And boy, I've got stories from the stock market world. Stock and options. The good old days. Brokers stealing stuff. Assigning trade. They're losing trades to your account. Just siphoning off money out of your accounts. Unbelievable. Okay. Call option means you make money on the way up. Put option means you're looking to make money on the way down. You're looking to make money on the way up, okay? You're looking for a stock to go up. You're looking for a stock to get put down, okay? All right, in the money. In the money is good for binary options. That means it's cleared your price out of the money. Means you lose 90%. Here, the list of stocks this company trades: Apple, Cisco, Citibank, Google, Microsoft, Yahoo. And here are the currency pairs: EUR/USD, pound dollar, pound Swiss franc, dollar yen, dollar Canadian, and pound yen. Commodities: gold and silver. Expires pretty much every hour. These guys also said they were looking at introducing different time period options, although their core is going to be the hour expiration. Okay, so that's the FAQ. Those are some tidbits of information here, and I hope you have garnered some more information and understanding about binary options. Let's see here if there's anything else. Terms, nope. Here's the bonus page for start options. Okay, so the bonus can be pretty hefty. Okay? and they have a VIP account option here. So let's see here. Oh, actually, we have a special bonus. You'll have to check binaryoptionssystem.com to see the status of it. We had a bonus. They said we can run. I think it was, if you fund $1,000, you'll get You will get $600. Okay. I believe on your first deposit. I'm not sure if that required the 10 trades or not. That was a recent deal we negotiated with them for you, but you need to go through our link, which is on Binary Options System, in order to get this bonus. And here you can see the binary options guide. That's it. Okay? Okay, let's stop here and we'll move on. We'll get behind the scenes. See, there's a lot of binary options that can make you a lot of money, but can also get you in trouble. We'll point those trouble points out so you can possibly avoid them. Okay? Thanks.